anima hockey di mori. I don't want my face to look cakey. It gives you like some confidence. Oh, I love to be Daenerys, that confidence. Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to transform ourselves in Daenerys Targaryen from Game of Thrones. I don't know if you saw the series, but I think it's impossible to just not have seen it because it's one of the most, like, I don't know, it's the best series that I've ever seen, honestly, so I think it's impossible to not have seen it. But we'll talk in the next video about Game of Thrones a little bit, about the House of Dragon that will be released in August, so let's go. But first, I will teach you how to become Daenerys Targaryen, so let's go. So first we will apply the face cream because we don't want crusty skin, so this is the first step that we're gonna do. Now let's hydrate the face because it will come some powder here, so I don't want my face to look cakey. Now I will go with the lightest foundation that I have in my makeup bag. It's the same, I mean it's from Maybelline, but it's in light beige. And this is the lightest one that I have. I don't know if you saw Daenerys like skin, but her skin is super white, but it kind of has like a, I don't know, a yellow tint to it, but it's super light, so that's what we are going for today. We are going for some light skin today, something like ghosts. But we're not gonna look like a ghost, we're gonna look like a Khaleesi. I don't know if you have seen like her hair. I tried to make it like a little bit more icier and it kind of worked out, but her hair is still a little bit lighter than mine, but she also has blue eyes and I have like brown eyes, but we're gonna try to ignore that today. So first we're gonna set the face with some powder because I want it to make as lighter as I can, and also I wanna be set because after this video we will make another one, so I wanna look good. As I told you, I took my sponge and now I'm pressing it into the skin a little bit, and this also takes the excess if you have any on your skin, just a little bit. So first we're gonna do the eyebrows, and I'm trying to mimic her eyebrow hairs because she has like very, I don't know, strong eyelashes or how to call it. She has very straight eyebrows. I think she might be the one that just like started this trend for straight eyebrows. She nailed it, honestly. Now I will brush them a little bit to see how much I need to do. Sometimes it feels good to just try to get into a character's skin because, I don't know, it gives you like some confidence, like on that way when you are just doing the makeup. I don't know, it feels good. Feels nice. Now we will make the shadows here, and I will start from here with this eyeshadow. I feel like this is looking a little bit grayish, but it's what we need today. To look like her. I honestly don't know who invented this character of Daenerys, but he or she did a great job. I mean, I think it's one of everyone's favorite character, at least after seeing Game of Thrones. It just becomes like one of your favorites. Now I'm blending this. Ouch. Ouch. I never did this till now, actually. I never stick my brush into my eyes, but it's the first time for everything, right? Now I will take this brush again and I'm dipping it into black, and I will make a line from here. Now I will talk a little bit more slower because when I'm doing this I just can't. It's not easy to think while we are doing this, and no one believes it. Need to make a line here. Now I will take some mascara and I will do my lashes. Ugh. Now I will take some bronzer and I will start to sculpt the face here. Now I'm going to take this shade and I will line my lips. Now I will put a little bit of this. So I'm done now. Let's see if this looks similar. Shokare jizanan reshi sandali. Shofka adrevish doske anima hokugeranji gedimori. Oh, I love to be Daenerys. That confidence, those dragons, that power. So guys, this is the makeup. I hope you like that Daenerys sketch thing. This is the makeup and I feel very good like a Khaleesi, honestly. So you should try it because it only takes you like 45 minutes or so. So it's not that much. It's like a normal makeup. So now that we are finished with this video, the next one will be about Game of Thrones and about the next series that will come, the House of Dragon, which will be super nice, and we're gonna talk about these things a bit in the next video, so keep on watching. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we are looking like a Khaleesi, like Daenerys. If you like the makeup that we did today, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my dragon.